everyone, welcome back to Ordinary Adventures.
We are here again at Knott's Berry Farm. They recently renovated their rafting raft.
Yes, Calico River Rapids?
Yeah, it used to be called like BigFoot Rapids or something like that. I think they actually added an animatronic Bigfoot.
Yeah.
This is the first ride that you ever rode at Knott's.
The first time I ever came to Knott's, he dragged me on this ride. I got soaked, but I'm back again today.
Yeah.
Because first of all, it's like 90 degrees outside and I want to get soaked. Second of all, they added cute critters and a Bigfoot apparently, so.
Bunch of animatronic figures. Come with us on this adventure.
We're gonna try to film it. Rumor has it that it goes by pretty quick, but
let's check it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, help me see how just to meet everybody. As the missus to our good mayor, I am excited, nay, honored to welcome one brave, daring, adventurous adventurer to Calico. Please put your hands together for Mr. John Potts! Now, ladies and gentlemen, this brave mountain man has single-handedly, with the establishment of his trading post and rafting expedition company, opened up the Western Territories to all who seek a brighter future with hopes to settle on a piece of land that they may call their own.
Oh, excuse me, Pearl. Madam Mayor, excuse me. Bixby Knowles, editor of the Calico Gazette.
Bixby, I think we know who you are. Why are you interrupting? I was going to introduce Milton.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, that's okay, okay. Just ask you a question there. I was just wondering if Mr. Potts can speak to the rumors of a strange, elusive, ape-like creature roaming the wilderness along the banks of the Calico. I will handle this quick. Now. I'll handle this now. I don't like people talking about that skunk ape running around on the banks of the river. Let's just not talk about that.
Are you ready?
born ready.
I'm not sure if I'm ready.
I'm not really ready.
Let's see. It's starting out calm enough. Look at that bird up there.
Oh, it feels good though. It feels good. Where are they animatronics?
Oh, there's a wolf.
It feels so good though. Until it like drenches me. Oh, right now.
Oh, look, there's a guy.
There's some raccoons on the Dynamite.
There's a bear.
Oh, cute.
You know, this is really calm compared to like the Disney. Oh, I just got wet.
Yeah. Is it really calm?
I mean, it's bouncy, but it's not like.
Oh, here we go. Oh, God. Oh, there's the box.
Yeah, I got it.
Oh, look, there's a bear in here.
I feel like I'm narrowly missing everything so far. I know.
Oh no, this is where they can get us.
You hear that?
What? Oh, there's one.
Oh, that's the roller coaster. Oh. Oh, I just got soaked. Look at that. Uh-oh.
Did we miss the Bigfoot?
Yeah, you
I
didn't
missed it. Yeah.
Oh!
Oh man, I missed it. We gotta go again.
What did you think?
It was fun.
I thought it was fun. It wasn't that wet. I got a little bit wet, as you can see here, but not like as wet as Grizzly River Rapids.
every time is different. There's like, one of the people in our car got really wet. So it's just the luck. We're gonna go on again and I'm probably gonna get soaked, so.
Let's do it. And they have some new merchandise for the new raft ride. Showcasing some of the animals and even the Bigfoot. Which actually, I believe, this looks very X-Files-ish. They also have some tumblers and some shot glasses. You like mugs? Can you get this mug?
Yeah, want to get it for me? To remember this day?
Probably
together?
not. Probably not.
You're right, we have this memory of the vlog.
Yeah.
I do kind of actually like, unironically like this shirt. It's kind of like almost tie-dye looking.
I feel like it's ironic.
Yeah, I like it. It reminds me of like it looks very like 1980s or 1990s.
It reminds me of like the Three Wolf Moon kind of.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
You should get it.
You keep saying I should get these things and I don't know if you're serious or not.
Oh, and I almost missed this. They actually have the Bigfoot. You can actually get a stuffed animal of the Bigfoot. That, I don't think you need that.
That? You don't think I need everything else I do?
You do need the t-shirt. The t-shirt, I think, is worth getting.
Okay. So this is where you can get the people on the ride more wet. By
You push that down?
Yeah.
Yeah, but sometimes when you push that down, it sprays you.
Yeah, so let's see.
So it's a gamble. Oh, oh. One of the things I like about that is usually at like Universal Studios, you have to pay money to escort the people on the ride.
Yeah.
There it's fun, but it's a gamble. You could be spraying yourself.
I think it's just that one. The other ones didn't have it. There's 3 different dynamites to push and it was just the biggest one that like got the biggest splash. So you take the risk when you do that one. It felt good though. Even though we like...
On a day like today,
Yeah.
it's a win-win.
And we also like got the camera soaking wet. So hopefully...
Hopefully it doesn't break.
Yeah.
So one of the cool things Knott's has is it's $5 for a large soda. They offer this all-day refill drink. It's $15. They actually have one that's all year for like $32.
Yeah, that's a great deal.
$15. And if I bring it back another day, it's only $1 refill for a drink. I can get a refill every 15 minutes.
And Peter's a big soda guy.
Yeah.
Every 15 minutes.
Every 15 minutes.
Wow.
I guess that's to prevent like families just getting
yeah.
one and reusing it over and over again. But it is hot today, as you can see by my sweat. So I'm going to be refilling this at least the
This is already his second time, so we've already almost gotten your money's worth.
Yeah.
I, on the other hand, just opt for the free water. Cheers.
Okay, so we rode it again. I got slightly more wet the second time. You got a lot more wet.
I did, but it's still not as bad as...
I will say though, there was a kid on our second ride that got soaked.
Yeah,
he was like
destroyed.
It is a lot of fun, but I do feel like it is missing that like huge drop at the beginning of the Grizzly River Run.
And the Bigfoot is really cool. I didn't notice it the first time, but the second time I tried to orientate myself to be able to see it, and it's really awesome.
We had the fast passes, so we didn't get to wait in the queue. I'm saying that as if it's a bad thing.
Yeah.
But these animatronics that are around the ride, it's hard to see some of them. I didn't see the rattlesnake until the second time. And I feel like if you are in the queue, because the queue goes around the ride, you can actually appreciate the animatronics more while you're waiting for the ride. Yeah.
Well, next time when we don't have these fancy passes, we'll see all the animatronics then.
I think the animatronic additions to this ride are great, makes it better. Anyways, if you want to see more theme park footage, if you want to see more from our adventure to Knott's Berry Farm, if you want to see from Galaxy's Edge to Comic-Con, what should they do?
You should probably subscribe to our channel.
And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Yes.
That helps us find more viewers like you. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.